In today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge cells in Notion, and more importantly, what Notion actually allows you to do instead of traditional cell merging like you might be used to in Excel or Google Sheets. This is one of the most common questions Notion users ask, especially if you're coming from spreadsheet-based tools. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand why merging cells isn't available in Notion, and how to achieve the same visual and organizational result using built-in features. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to your Notion workspace and open the database where you want to merge cells. This can be a table, board, or any other database view. Once you're inside the database, take a moment to look at your data at a glance. This step is important because Notion works very differently from traditional spreadsheets. In Notion, you cannot merge cells directly. Every row represents a page, and every column is a property. This structure is intentional and helps keep your data clean, searchable, and flexible. Because of this, Notion doesn't allow cells to be merged horizontally or vertically. However, the good news is that Notion provides alternative ways to visually group and organize information, so you get a similar effect. Next, move your cursor to the top right corner of the database and click on the Settings menu. This is where you can customize how your data is displayed. Without this panel, click on Group. Grouping is the key feature that replaces the need for merged cells in most use cases. Once you click Group, you'll be prompted to choose which property you want to group by. Select the status property or any other property that makes sense for your workflow. As soon as you do this, Notion will automatically group rows together based on that property, creating clear visual sections inside your database. Now, click on the Highlight option. This helps make each group stand out visually, similar to how merged cells would create separation in a spreadsheet. You can also hide specific status options like Not Started if you want to focus only on tasks that are actively being worked on or already completed. This makes your database much easier to scan and manage. Finally, click on In Progress or any other status group you want to focus on. At this point, you've effectively learned how to merge cells in Notion using grouping and visual organization instead of traditional merging. While it's not a true merge, it achieves the same clarity and structure in a way that works with Notion's database system. And that's it. You now know how to handle cell merging in Notion the right way. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more Notion tips, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next.